Ready to transform your TV into a bigger, brighter display for your iPhone? Let's dive into how to AirPlay from your iPhone to your TV. This easy process lets you enjoy movies, photos, and everything else on your iPhone on a bigger screen. First crucial step, make sure both your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's the foundation of AirPlay. Next, on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. You'll see a collection of icons and features. Locate the screen mirroring icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. Tap on this icon. Your iPhone will now scan for nearby AirPlay compatible devices. This could be your smart TV, Apple TV, or even a device connected to your TV. Select the name of your TV from the list. If this is the first time connecting, you might be prompted to enter a passcode that will be displayed on your TV screen. Enter the passcode on your iPhone, and then tap OK. And there you have it. Your iPhone screen is now mirrored on your TV. Everything you do on your iPhone will be displayed on the big screen. You can now launch your favorite apps, play videos from your photo library, or browse the web. To stop mirroring, simply return to your control center, tap the screen mirroring icon again, and then select Stop Mirroring. And you've stopped. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your content on the big screen.